Alright guys, this is a 52-inch Harbor Breeze Centreville ceiling fan here at my aunt's new house here again. Now, again, not too long ago me and my uncle replaced this fan, which I have one just like, I have two just like this one at my house, two of them, except they're only smaller than 42 inch, except this one's a bigger one. And if you notice, look at the pull chains. Look how flat they are. Again, see, it's got the LED lights, which this is the big one. All right, start with the light. Those are very bright lights. All right, I wanna. Sorry, I gotta make this quick because just ignore talking. That's just my mom and my aunt out there, which I'm kind of in a hurry. I gotta try to make this video quick. Yeah, this one's been replaced with that other old Harbor Breeze fan. I forgot the model of that one, but yeah, me and my uncle not too long ago replaced this thing. All right, really nice fan. All right, it's low. Wait. All right, that's low. Here's medium. Yeah, I'm not gonna mess with the reverse switch because I don't want to waste time. But I have it pulling the air down, which my aunt, she hardly uses these right now until spring and summer come. If you hear some talking, my mom and my aunt they'll probably come in here in a minute. If they do, just ignore them. Yeah, just ignore it. Again, I'm sorry. Sorry, that was just a car going by. All right, here's this medium. Now we have high. All right, here's high. Here we go. See? Again, I have two of these at home, only they're smaller and they're 42 inch. Again, these have the LED lights. That feels good. Again, that's cool how they made the little pull. All right, now I'll turn it off. Put it back on low. All right, guys, there y'all go. Here. All right, guys, there we go. Sorry about that. There y'all go. All right, guys, there y'all go. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave any comments again. That's it.